The way that your ceiling hoist charges is an important decision which must be considered when choosing a ceiling hoist. In this video, we're going to talk about handset charge, dock charge and continuous charge methods for charging ceiling hoists. We'll discuss the advantages and disadvantages in terms of ease of use, cost and maintenance. We'll also talk about the type of charging method which is suitable for which type of care setting. Handset charge hoists are charged through the operational handset. This is done by placing the handset in a wall-mounted charging station. It's an easy-to-use charge method, which is suitable for most budgets, both for the initial cost of the installation and the ongoing repair costs. This charge method is suited to all care environments, including care homes, schools, hospitals. It's even suitable for wet and humid environments, such as swimming pools or hydrotherapy rooms. Some of the advantages of handset charge include the flexibility. The charging station can be mounted anywhere in the room. It's one of the most cost-effective charging methods to use. Ease of use, as the charger can be mounted at the best height to suit your care staff. And on some models, if there's a problem with the charger, the repair is easy enough for an in-house maintenance team to do themselves. Unfortunately, the disadvantage of this charge method is that it cannot be used on a rail that is situated in the middle of a room, because the handset needs to reach the wall-mounted charging station. In some facilities, the staff incorrectly use the handset to pull the hoist unit along the rail. This can break the cables within the handset wire, stopping it from charging. You can resolve this issue through staff awareness and training. A dock charge ceiling hoist uses a docking station mounted at the end of the track or in the corner of the room. Dock charge hoists are suitable for many care environments and to those with a smaller budget. It's also suitable for rooms where the track doesn't reach the wall for handset charge. For example, if the track is best placed in the middle of a school classroom. In smaller care homes, this charge method might not be suitable if the room features, such as the windows, the doors or wardrobes, impede the hoist charging area in the corner of the room. Some of the advantages of dock charge include the cost to install. This is also a cost-effective charging method. It's easy to repair if there is space to remove it from the end of the rail or if the charging dock clips to the outside of the rail. The caveat is the ability to repair this charge method becomes a disadvantage if there isn't space at the end of the rail to remove the dock charge, or if the dock is inside the rail. It would mean the whole track may need to come down to repair it. Dock charge hoists have common issues with not charging correctly, as staff can forget to move the hoist to the end of the rail or the corner of the room to charge them. You can reduce this by providing staff training on how best to use this hoist correctly, as well as the signs and posters to remind them. Continuous charge allows you to charge the hoist motor unit anywhere along the rail, as the charging connections are within the track. Continuous charge is best suited for busy, high-use areas such as hospitals and schools. We commonly see this type of charge used in schools where staff need to make many lifts per day within a classroom. This charge method would not be advised for wet environments, as the charging connections within the rail can corrode easily. Some of the advantages of a continuous charge include the time it saves for care staff, as they don't need to move the hoist to a specific charging station. The batteries don't suffer as much failure through lack of charging or someone accidentally taking it off charge. Due to the nature of this charge method and the batteries lasting longer, there are fewer breakdowns because of battery-related issues. Some of the disadvantages of continuous charge include the cost to install. This is the most costly solution because of the components and the more advanced manufacturing processes used. It takes longer to repair than other charging methods, as the entire or majority of the system generally would need to come down, which also increases the downtime of the equipment. Because of taking down the entire track, this could take a couple of engineers up to a full day to repair, which will increase the labour costs you'll pay. So, to wrap up, most care environments with regular use of ceiling hoists and a smaller budget will benefit from a dock or handset charge ceiling hoist. Care environments with heavy use, such as SEN schools, might benefit from a continuous charge ceiling hoist, if they have that extra budget for this charging method. Whichever charge method you decide to use, I hope the information in this video helps you make that right decision. We've covered more details on these charge methods in our blog, Which Ceiling Hoist Charging Method is Best for Me. If you're still unsure which is the best for you, or if you have any other questions relating to ceiling hoist installations, get in touch with us here at Medaco for your next ceiling hoist requirement.